Hello and welcome to This Week in Review. The economy and markets can feel dizzying and ever-changing, and that's where we can help. This new weekly series is designed to highlight a few things you may have missed this week, and importantly, what they mean for markets. My name is Naj Srinivas, and I'm an Executive Vice President here at Fisher Investments. Let's get started. U.S. retail sales were in the news this week. October saw strong retail sales, which may have given some investors more confidence about the state of the economy and consumers' wallets. But it's important to remember that retail sales are just one small piece of the economy. Plus, it's important to not read too much into short-term trends. Consumer spending is more about essentials like healthcare and rent, which don't change much with the economy's ups and downs. And retail sales alone don't give us the full picture where the economy is headed. When we look at other key economic factors like rising corporate profits and business investment, we see many indicators pointing to continued economic growth. One quick note looking ahead. This was also the last U.S. retail sales report before the U.S. holiday shopping season, and in the weeks ahead, many will be watching consumer spending carefully. However, while events like Black Friday are increasingly global and meaningful for some businesses, they don't really predict the economic future. Now, let's look at some other global economic reports. The UK and Japan released their latest GDP figures for the third quarter of 2024. Both showed slight growth, which was expected. Despite challenges, the UK seems to be recovering and Japan is seeing some early signs of improvement in domestic demand, a long-running headwind for the country. GDP figures are backwards looking in our view and subject to a large degree of revision. But these reports join a swath of global economic data that point to an economy that's much healthier than many appreciate. And that's a recipe that's typically positive for stocks. Finally, let's switch gears to international politics. This week, Japan's Prime Minister won a confidence vote, which extends the status quo of a pretty weak government that's likely not able to get much done. This helps reduce some political uncertainty following October's snap elections, where the ruling Liberal Democratic Party lost its parliamentary majority. Over in Germany, there is a bit more uncertainty until snap elections conclude in February. However, the currently fractured coalition government might actually mean fewer changes for now, which could be a good thing for stocks and investors. And that's This Week in Review. To learn more about what we're watching each week beyond economic developments, check out our other video series, 3 Things You Need to Know, which we release every Monday. You can also visit fisherinvestments.com for more insights. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.